Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Prerna and today I'm going to show you how to make coconut ladoos. For this recipe, you will need condensed milk, milk powder and freshly grated coconut. In a non-stick pan, add condensed milk, milk powder and freshly grated coconut. Cook until it starts leaving the sides and forms a dough. Once the mixture is ready, let it cool down. Now we will make small balls of the mixture and coat it with freshly grated coconut. Once it's done, refrigerate it for some time for it to firm up and then serve.